So one other tag that I wanted to show you how to do, we've learned about HTML tags, body tags, H1 through H6 tags, about divisions, and about paragraphs. There are two types of tags that I'd like to talk about, which are lists, so an unordered list and an ordered list. So an ordered list are exactly what it sounds like. It's a list that helps you understand what order it's in. So I could add on to my page right here a list. I'm going to create a different section. I'm going to talk about, let's see, under this H1, I'm going to put my favorite foods. I'm going to close that tag. And what I'm going to do here is create an ordered list. That is a specific type of tag, so you put OL for ordered list. What I like to do when I'm working with HTML is that if I open a tag, I immediately go ahead and close it. I indent it, and then I just hit return a couple of times so that I have all of this space to be working with. Once I start an ordered list, I need to put things in my list, because right now you see that there's nothing in my favorite foods list. And so what I'm going to do here is to start creating my list, I put LI for each one of the things on my list. Notice that I opened my tag with LI and then I closed it again with another tag for LI. So my first favorite food are tacos. Absolutely love tacos. And what you notice here, because it's an ordered list, you see a 1 beside the tacos. So let's see what happens if I put my next favorite food. So I'm going to create my tags. I open them, I close them, and then in the middle, I'm going to put my next favorite, which are tortas, which are basically Mexican sandwiches that have lots of amazing food on them. So notice, oh, look there, number 1 tacos, number 2 is tortas. My third favorite food, I can just keep doing this actually all day long, just putting lists and lists and lists of food. There's no limit to the amount that you can put on the list. My second favorite food are gyros. Absolutely love gyros. And notice here, there you go, gyros is on the page. So I can make these ordered lists. In opposition to ordered lists, you can also make unordered lists. Which basically the difference is that you don't have the 1, 2, and 3 beside them. So that would look like this. So let's create another thing like my H2. I'm just creating H2 right now. And I'm going to put my favorite places to travel. And I'm going to create an unordered list with all of my favorite places to travel. So as you see here, OL is an ordered list, so an unordered list would be UL. So I'm going to create my UL tags right here, hit return. I'm going to indent them to show that kind of this is under this header here, make it easy to read, and hit return a couple of times so I can have some room to work here. And the first thing I'll put on my list, my favorite place to go to travel, is Greece. I love going to Greece. Maybe my second favorite place to travel, again, I'm going to open my LI for the thing on my list and close it. And my second favorite place to go is Mexico. We're going to Mexico. And then I can actually, just a little trick is copy and paste all of this right here, put it on the next line, and then all I have to do is replace the text here. So my third favorite place to go is, I love going to Utah. Utah has lots of cool hiking and green stuff. My other favorite place to go is Quebec in Canada. And maybe my other favorite place to go is Israel. I really like Israel. So here's my 3 favorite places now, or my 5 favorite places to travel. So here I have my favorite foods. I have an ordered list, an OL tag up here, and so it has 1, 2, 3. And here's my unordered list that just have basic dots beside them. So this is another type of tag that you can use to style your page a little bit more and add different things to your page.